Howdy folks, I'm Florian Stollmayer, and today I'm gonna play for you a song you really must like. It is called Ueber, and it is a German Bavarian folk song from my homeland Bavaria. I hope you enjoyed these selections. Please make sure to check out my brand new book, which is called Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest. You can purchase my book on Amazon.com or directly from my website, which is florianstollmayer.com. It comes with a handwritten card and a personal autograph by me. Remember guys, with over 6 million visitors each year, the Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany is the biggest beer festival on the globe. As a native Bavarian from Munich, Germany, I will give you a quick insider look on the Oktoberfest. Things like what to wear, what to expect, how to order drinks and food, and so much more. Have fun on the Oktoberfest. I'm Florian Stollmayer. Please do not forget to rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm gonna see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen.